It's me fighting the bad vibes. Hey, hello, hi, welcome, and other words that mean the same thing that I'm gonna say way too many times. Thanks for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. I appreciate it, and I'm SB Mitch. Put that on a coffee mug. You can follow me on Twitter and Instagram at the handle on your screen right now. And then I have a website where you can find the shoes in this box and shoes from other boxes for sale, for you to look at, or buy, or do nothing to. It's your choice. You're a human. You are human, right? Okay, good. I got somebody who wants to say hi to you. It's Pancake. Pancake's here. Say hi, Pancake. Good job. See? She's saying hi to you and hi to pals! Just like I just did. Hey, it's Sole Supremacy Beater Box Day. Sole Supremacy is a shop in the Bay Area of California that has a closed, membership-only beater box program. Kinda stinks, but I'm trying to find other beater boxes for us to open so that you can get them too. But these beater boxes... Pancake's having a moment. Jeez. But these boxes are awesome because they price them under market. We'll just close the door. This box in particular was what? $800 plus $40 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois. Shout out something Chicago themed. Running out of ideas. For a grand total of $840. These boxes are priced under market, so there's a really good opportunity to make some money, but you can follow along with Clarence. It'll be letting you know how much each shoe is worth, keeping tally, and then we'll break it down at the end to show you how much the entire box is worth versus how much I paid to see how much money we're gonna make. Because that's fun, that's what we do here. So let's open the box and see what's going on. The next box after this one is gonna be an $800 box again, but it's gonna be from Request Boutique, so that'll be a good side-by-side thing to do. Ugh. But I'm doing two separate videos because I gotta get that AdSense, baby! Okay, we are open. Well, the box is. There are no loose shoes, that's awesome. Let's grab this here first. What kind of Nike box? Looks like it's a Kobe. Yeah, it is. It's a Kobe 1 PROTRO in a size 11.5. This is the Black Del Sol Kobe PROTRO. I think it came out last year or the year before, pretty recently, but these are very, very, very lightly worn. Easy 9 out of 10 condition. Looks like someone probably played basketball in them a couple times, but no major damage, a little bit of creasing. I really like this colorway. When the retros of the Kobe 1 came out, they called them a PROTRO because they updated the technology for basketball, so I thought that was a pretty cool idea, but this is really, really nice shoe in really good shape, and apparently it's awesome for basketball. So size 11.5 Kobe 1 PROTRO in the Black Del Sol colorway. Next up, the Jumpman box. This is a size 11.5. Again, it's an Air Jordan 8 Retro. Okay. This is the BRED 8 that came out pretty recently. This is actually a worn pair. You can see the bottoms are just a little bit dirty, but no major drag or anything. Mostly suede upper. It's got this goofy, well, I don't even know what's going on, but this like super mid-90s design on the side panel. I do not like 8s. I am not a fan, but I know a lot of people do. Pretty much 5, 6, 7, and 8 are some of my least favorite Jordans, but this is a nice colorway because it's really simple and you can't go wrong with a Jordan that is black and red, basically. So really good condition, very lightly worn, but it's also such a new release that I would be surprised if these were beat up. So size 11.5, BRED 8s from 2017 or 18, probably 18, I don't really know. They didn't really do too well when they were released in terms of retail value. An Air Force 1 box. Let's grab this. This is a Nike Air Force 107 8.5. Nope, this is the replacement box. This is a kind of beat up pair of a Jordan 3. This is the Black Cat 3s. This is an old pair. This is from like, looks like 2007, but you can't go wrong with an all black, basically anything. I mean, they had the black flips, but this is the Black Cat because it is a just traditional Jordan 3 with the cement print and the, of course, cracking midsole paint, but it's a really nice shoe. The other shoe has some damage to the toe box, but it's a shoe that's over 10 years old, and it looks like it was worn pretty heavily. So these will be really cheap just because of the condition, but size, what size did I say? Oh yeah, I didn't say. Size 9.5, Black Cat 3, in worn condition without an original box. Yeah, that's a shoe that's due for a retro, if you ask me. This is a absolutely minuscule size Jordan box. This is an 11C Jordan 6 Retro BP. So this is a kid's, like, infant shoe, and this is a 6. It's a 6. It's a 6, not a 7. This is not the hair 6s, maybe, so it's maybe alternate 6s. You can tell with the infant shoes, there's no air unit or anything like that. This is a dead stock pair. Kids shoes, they either hit or miss. There you go, 11C, Jordan 6 alternate, I think. It's cool. Rarely do you see kids or infant shoes in these boxes, so that's pretty cool. Let's grab this. This is an Air Jordan 13, looks like. Recent release, 13 retro in a size 9. These are the history of flight. Air Jordan 13s. Came out in 2016, I believe. They're worn. Very, very little though. You can see a little bit of wear on the bottom. But I just got a recent pair of 11s that I sold to my buddy Shane, and these are basically an all white with a little bit of hints of red 13. I'm not a huge fan of 13s. Good condition, simple colorway, easy 9 out of 10 condition, very lightly worn. Jumpman is still fully intact in there, which is pretty cool. So size 9 is one of the better sizes to get. It's an Air Jordan 13, history of flight. Looks like there's 3 more in here. Let's grab this 4 out of the way. This is an Air Jordan 4, size 13. This is a pair I recently got and sold already, but this is another pair in way better shape. This is the, they call these royalty, I would assume, because of the gold eyelets. And yeah, it's an all suede upper. This pair in particular looks to be really, really good shape. Not much star loss at all. I mean, I don't know if it's gonna show it, but these are basically 8 out of 10, 9 out of 10 condition. It's a Jordan 4 in a size 13. Size 13 is, but these are in good shape, and Jordan 4 is one of the most popular models, I think, in terms of people that wear bigger shoes. So size 13 royalty 4s, that's pretty good, with the original box too, if the SKU number is correct. I don't really check until afterwards, so it might be the original. It might be the original box, might be a replacement. I don't really know. So we got 2 more in here. This is a size 10 Air Jordan 11 Retro. This might actually be good. Oh, looky what we have here. Pancake's got something to say about it. This is obviously, as you can tell from the insert, it's a worn pair, but not very heavily worn, of an Air Jordan 11 Retro BRED. This is the 2012 release. They are retroing these at the end of the year this year, so it's not surprising that some people are trading their pairs in. I think the original from 1996 was just called Playoff, but it's been called BRED over the years. They've retroed in 2000 and, ooh, this will be a good trivia. 2001, 2008 with the Countdown Pack, 2012, and now 2019. Wow. I don't know if I fact check. I could be wrong on some of those, but back to the shoes. They're in really good shape. Very little wear on the outsoles. Just need to be cleaned up. Comes with the original shoe trees, which is really, really cool. Good shape. Man, it's floating between 8 or 9 out of 10 condition. Just a little bit of patent leather creasing on the toe box, but yeah. Apparently the 2019 version is going to have the 23 on the heel, which is very, very cool in my opinion, but it will probably have higher patent leather just like the Concord. So size 10, decent size. I'm sure this is worth between $250 and $350 right now in this condition especially. So BRED 11s from 2012 in a size 10. And because I took way too long on that one, we have one more. It's an Air Jordan 1. So this is a low OG, but there's a bunch of crosses through it, so it's probably a replacement box. What size is this? Hold on. It's another size 11. This is a 2016 retro of one of the original Jordan 1 colorways from 1985. This is a size 11 black toe one. I have my personal pair right down here. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up, but these are in solid shape. I mean, there's barely any toe box creasing on the top, hardly any star loss or anything. These are in phenomenal shape. They've got the inserts and everything. Just a little bit of insole wear because the Nike Air comes off once you like put the shoe on basically, but these are in excellent shape. Just a replacement box. I love this colorway. Anytime there is a shoe that has any color mudguard with a white vamp is instantly attractive to me. So this is one of the most coveted colorways of an Air Jordan 1, and why not? Because it's one of the just coolest looking shoes. So size 11 is a great size. In this condition too, this has got to be worth at least $350, I would assume. So Jordan 1 Black Toes from 2016 is your final shoe out of this box. That was an $800 Sole Supremacy beater box. I'm a really big fan of this, but let's go through it and give it a grade. Hey, I like to pretend I'm a teacher and give this box a grade because that's something that you can do on YouTube apparently. So we get that grade through 3 categories, and they are condition, sizes, and value. Let's do condition first. There are
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8 pairs of shoes in this $800 Sole Supremacy beater box. One of them is dead stock, and it's that kid's shoe, but all of them are in okay shape. 2 of them have replacement boxes. It's a condition on this box, we'll say about a B-. Sizes, we have 11.5. 11.5 again, 9.5. 11C, 9, 10, and 11. Sizes are actually okay. They're not great, they're not bad. I'll say about a B+. Value. These are all movable Jordans. There's not any weird colorways. There's that PROTRO, $800. I think it's okay value. I probably would be able to get the same value out of a box that costs about 2/3 this. So value on this, we'll say about a B. So with the grade of B- for condition, the grade of B+ for sizes, and the grade of B for value, this $800 Sole Supremacy beater box gets a letter grade of, let's say B.
Wow.
So I graded this box out as a B box. Not a box with B's, but like the letter grade is B, or like 80 to 89% out of 100. But let's look at the numbers, shall we?
Break it down!
Baby, good box. I like this box. This is a fun box to open. I don't really know if the value is going to be totally there, but I mean, I knew everything that was in here, so luckily for me, because I'm wrong a lot. I appreciate it. If you're into any of these shoes, they'll be on my website this Friday. That website is called ransomnotesneakers.com, and it updates at 6 o'clock p.m. this Friday and every Friday. How many times can I say Friday in a matter of 30 seconds? I appreciate you taking the time out of your day to watch. If you like what's going on here, like this video, you can subscribe to. You can dislike it if it's not what you want to watch, so that's cool. But I will see you soon. Remember, the next video is an $800 Request Boutique box, because that last Request Boutique box was really good. So until next time, take care of each other, and remember to treat people the way that you want to be treated. Golden rule, A-OK with me. Okay, see you later, bye.